BYDFi is a crypto exchange on desktop and mobile where you can spot trade, futures trade, use leverage tokens, and copy the trades of top trade. There's hundreds of crypto available on their spot exchange, as well as a free test account so you can practice futures trading without getting wrecked. BYDFi.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at Algorand. That's right, we're going to look at Algorand. You might think it's boring, but it's actually alright. We were talking about this last week. I made a video on this, saying how you're going to get a 10% pump up to the 24 cent zone. So we've got that. Then on the stream, I believe, or it might have just been in my personal day-to-day, as I was looking at the 200 exponential on the 3-day, which is roughly, at the time it was around 27, it's now 26.5, we've surpassed that, with a wick into 27.5 cents. So what's next for Algorand then? Because we are seeing some serious, some pumping. Now again, I say serious pumping, this is not like the millionaire starter kit that everybody wants crypto to be. I'll be watching this, won't you? I can sense it. I can sense it. Some of those haters who dwell within the comments. 70%. What are you talking about? 70%. It's rubbish, mate. Sick. It's disgusting 70%. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. But I have to agree to an extent with you that Algorand has been an absolute washout, terrible looking chart for a very long time. However, this isn't like some sort of super scam coin or anything like this. This is actually decent blockchain, decent team, decent cryptographer, with lots of utility. Whether it gets used is a different story, but it's not a scam. So the low prices on this, as far as I can tell, are nothing more than an opportunity. Now it is getting higher each day now, and at this point, this weekly candle body looks really good. On the stream on Tuesday that we did, after the dump, even though I was kind of skeptical about what the dump might mean for everything, because I mean, look at it now. I mean, even XRP's outperforming Bitcoin, so it's the charts aren't crystal clear. But one of the charts which did, I suppose, look quite clear was Algorand, saying, "I tell you what, regardless of the rest of the market, it looks to me like Algorand is going to recover." I didn't beat around the bush about saying that. I said, it does look like it wants to do that. A V-shaped recovery, which is basically what we've got now. A V-shaped recovery as of today. And the V-shaped recovery was given to us from a standard practice, golden cross retest on a 4-hourly. So it's absolute perfect setup, really. Boosh down into it, V-shaped recovery, and then some. So there's been a few, actually. I think Atom was doing this as well. It's not just Algorand. Algorand isn't the pillar of strength in a pool of weakness. It's just one of a few that's actually done this. And it bodes well for the idea that all these other coins are going to start doing it also, like XRP, for instance. I mean, XRP, again, look, as you can see, is up versus Bitcoin, which is something I didn't expect at this point. I'm still expecting it to work out, but I didn't expect it to outperform Bitcoin today. Well, it is a very good sign that it is. So, what else are we going to look for? Well, let's look for some major resistances, shall we, on this. So, based on the weekly, what we're waiting for would be a much bigger move, probably a lot later on down the line. So, whatever it does now is not going to be the big one. We could see a move up to 46, maybe even up towards 60 cents. And I know that is a big move. That's a huge move, but it's not likely to be sustained. What we would be looking for would be maybe a few months down the line, so with or without a consolidation in the broader markets, we would be looking for a Ichimoku Cloud conversion baseline push, whether it's a trend or a pump. Most likely would be a pump signal on a weekly. Now, it's not going to happen until this cheeky span here closes above the cloud, which is again 121% from where we're at right now. Also, the momentum is good on this. It's definitely good, but we have already got one drive of bearish divergence on the weekly, and we're all the way down here. So what I'd be looking for on this, at best, and I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen, but at best, considering how strong the weekly does look, and that the next major levels of resistance are actually all the way up here, is that this could actually power up and push up all the way to like 46 cents, and that's where we consolidate from for Algorand. These areas into the 40s, we've been here before. We've got two major candle bodies over here, which is roughly between, it's a little lower than that. There we go. Boosh, doosh, and then boosh. So it's more or less all around the same area, about 45, 46 cents. You think it can't happen? It can happen. Is it definitely going to happen? I couldn't tell you. Am I in it? Oh yeah, I am already in this. I'm a big Algorand believer, so whatever it does in the short term is no big deal to me. I'm in it for the long term, in it for the technology, as they say. But realistically, I'm in it mostly for the money. And yeah, I've got quite a lot of this. I've been piling up as much Algorand as possible. It's one of my biggest hodls. Despite the criticism you'll find online, Algorand's dead, man. It's dead. Well, low prices, baby. Low prices. People were saying this about Chainlink when Chainlink was sitting around $6 and $9 for best part of 2 years. Oh, you dinosaur! That's a boomer's coin. Get out of it. Have you not seen the new furry-faced Elon Musk, Mars, furry-faced Doge, Shiba Pepe, Frog, Fox, Mutant meme coin? That's the one you want. So, yeah, I mean, you might want that, to be fair with you. I couldn't tell you. Crypto's a mad place. But yeah, this looks to me like a very nice low price, similar to how it was over here. Different stages of volatility, absolutely. But if this ends up being a huge accumulation zone, like Chainlink, then when you finally break out the accumulation range, which could be seen as here, but is most likely going to be here, then imagine the size of a move once an accumulation ranges are broken and the resistance being 46. It didn't take much for Chainlink to start doubling and getting close to tripling, and we've only really just getting started. So you double from here, you're at 80. You double again, you know, that's 160. You double again, you're $3. This is the forward thinking that you need to put when you're looking ahead to what a bull market's going to look like for something like Algorand, which is not a nothing or a nobody or a scam. It's actually something with decent utility that's the SEC have scrutinised, and they are in a little bit of trouble, just like all the top blockchains and cryptos out there. Not the I was going to swear there, not the rubbish ones, not the low end ones, not the actual scams. Only the ones with utility get highlighted as problems for investment. Yeah, right. I see what's going on here, SEC. If we're stupid, I see what's going on here. Anyway, I'll leave it with you. There's not much more to say. But I'm not saying it's definitely going to happen, but a move up to 46 cents, which is a big move. Absolutely not unlikely at all. Take it easy.